Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem promo codes on Roblox. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So what we're going to do first is actually open up a browser and come to roblox.com, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and log into your account. If you're on mobile device, you actually need to do the same. So you can't do this on the Roblox app. You need to actually open up a browser. So if you're using an Android, I'm assuming you have Google Chrome, which you'll need to open. Or if you're using an iPhone, you'll need to open up Safari. And again, you should come to roblox.com and log into your account. So once you're logged in, this is the only way so far I found out how to access it. If you come to the address bar at the top, and you'll see it says roblox.com/home. All you need to do is delete home, and then what you want to do is put promo code. So PROMOCODES, promo codes, sorry, with an S on the end. So there's loads of ways to actually get primary codes. You get this from events, giveaways. They can give you sort of virtual goods that you can add to your account, to new items, new clothing, etc. But yeah, if you just follow this step by step, as I say, if you're using a mobile device, make sure to use the browser and not the actual Roblox app, and just go through the same steps and you'll be able to redeem your promo codes. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.